Hi my dears, welcome back to the maths class. Are you safe at home? Okay, very good. In the last class we discussed some activities based on weights. Are you ready to start today's class? Okay, good. Let's do today's first activity. First activity, how many packets? See children, here Ramu brought some things to the mill for grinding. See what all things Ramu brought to the mill for grinding. Yes, chilli 4 kilogram, rice 20 kilogram, wheat 30 kilogram, chickpea 3 kilogram, coriander 5 kilogram and turmeric 5 kilogram. Ramu packed the powders like this. Turmeric 100 gram packets, chilli 200 gram packets, chickpea 250 gram packets, coriander 500 gram packets, wheat 2 kilogram packets, rice 1 kilogram packets. How many packets of each are there? If we make a table, it would be easier. So let's write the details in a table. First item, chilli 4 kilogram. That is, Ramu brought 4 kilogram chilli to the mill for grinding. That is, the total weight of chilli is 4 kilogram. See children, Ramu packed the chilli powder as 200 gram packets. That is, in each packet there is 200 gram chilli powder. That is, weight of one packet is 200 gram. Here we have to pack 4 kilogram chilli powder. Here we have to find out how many packets are needed to pack 4 kilogram chilli powder with 200 grams each. Children, you know 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So children, how many 200 grams make 1000 grams? Yes, 5 200 grams make 1000 grams. So children, how many packets are needed for 1 kilogram? Yes, 5 packets. So number of packets for 1 kilogram is 5. See children, you know here we have to pack 4 kilogram chilli powder. Children, you know for 1 kilogram we need 5 packets. Then how many packets are needed for 4 kilogram? Yes, 4 times 5. That is 4 into 5 equals 20. So children, 20 packets are needed to pack 4 kilogram chilli powder with 200 grams each. Children, what is the next item? Yes, rice 20 kilogram. That is, the total weight of rice is 20 kilogram. Here Ramu packed the rice as 1 kilogram packets. That is, in each packet there is 1 kilogram rice. That is, weight of one packet is, yes, 1 kilogram. So children, how many packets are needed for 1 kilogram? Yes, 1 packet. That is, number of packets for 1 kilogram is 1. Here we have to find out number of packets needed for 20 kilogram rice. Children, you know for 1 kilogram 1 packet is needed. So how many packets are needed for 20 kilogram? Yes, 20 times 1. That is 20 into 1 equals 20. So children, 20 packets are needed to pack 20 kilogram rice with 1 kilogram each. Children, what is the next item? Yes, wheat 30 kilogram. What is the total weight of wheat? Yes, 30 kilogram. Here Ramu packed the wheat as 2 kilogram packets. That is, in each packet there is 2 kilogram wheat. That is, weight of one packet is 2 kilogram. Here we have to pack 30 kilogram wheat. Here we have to find out how many packets are needed to pack 30 kilogram wheat with 2 kilogram each. Here no need to find out number of packets for 1 kilogram because in one packet there is 2 kilogram wheat. Children, you know there is 30 kilogram wheat in total. In each packet there is 2 kilogram wheat. So children, how many packets are needed? Yes, 30 divided by 2. Yes, 15. So children, 15 packets are needed to pack 30 kilogram wheat with 2 kilogram each. Children, what is the next item? Yes, chickpea 3 kilogram. Chickpea means Bengal gram. What is the total weight of chickpea? Yes, 3 kilogram. Ramu packed the chickpea powder as 250 gram packets. That is, in each packet there is 250 gram chickpea powder. That is, weight of one packet is 250 gram. Children, you know 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So children, how many 250 grams make 1000 grams? Yes, 250 grams make 1000 grams. So children, how many packets are needed for 1 kilogram? Yes, 4 packets. So number of packets for 1 kilogram is 4. See children, you know here we have to pack 3 kilogram chickpea powder. You know for 1 kilogram we need 4 packets. Then how many packets are needed for 3 kilogram? Yes, 3 times 4. That is 3 into 4 equals 12. So children, 12 packets are needed to pack 3 kilogram chickpea powder with 250 grams each. Children, what is the next item? Yes, coriander 5 kilogram. That is, total weight of coriander is, yes, 5 kilogram. Ramu packed the coriander powder as 500 gram packets. That is, in each packet there is 500 gram coriander powder. That is, weight of one packet is 500 gram. Children, you know 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So children, how many 500 grams make 1000 grams? Yes, 2 500 grams make 1000 grams. So children, how many packets are needed for 1 kilogram? Yes, 2 packets. So number of packets for 1 kilogram is 2. See children, you know here we have to pack 5 kilogram coriander powder. You know for 1 kilogram we need 2 packets. Then how many packets are needed for 5 kilogram? Yes, 5 times 2. That is 5 into 2 equals 10. So children, 10 packets are needed to pack 5 kilogram coriander powder with 500 grams each. Children, what is the next item? Yes, turmeric 5 kilogram. That is, total weight is 5 kilogram. Here Ramu packed the turmeric powder as 100 gram packets. That is, in each packet there is 100 gram turmeric powder. That is, weight of one packet is 100 gram. Children, you know 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So children, how many 100 grams make 1000 grams? Yes, 100 grams make 1000 grams. So children, how many packets are needed for 1 kilogram? Yes, 10 packets. So number of packets for 1 kilogram is 10. See children, here we have to pack 5 kilogram turmeric powder. You know for 1 kilogram we need 10 packets. Then how many packets are needed for 5 kilogram? Yes, 5 times 10. That is 5 into 10 equals 50. So children, 50 packets are needed to pack 5 kilogram turmeric powder with 100 grams each. Children, did you understand today's class? Okay, very good. Today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.